As a new streamer, there are certain things that you need for your channel to look professional, and I'm about to show you how you can create one of these essential things custom all by yourself right now. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now before we get into today's video, if you are a new streamer, I'm pretty sure you have some of the same problems that I had when I started streaming. One very dire problem: butt problems. I'm talking about sitting in a very uncomfortable chair for hours on end. TechniSport is one of the leading brands in chairs for streamers. If you want something sleek, nice, and very comfortable, go with TechniSport. They have a large selection of chairs to desk and gaming and PC accessories. If you want 10% off at TechniSport, the link is in the description below. You can get 10% off with code Canada at checkout. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can basically create your own custom Twitch panels using one of the most user-friendly websites I've ever been on. And it's easy and free. All those nice panels that you see on some people's Twitch channels in their About Me section, you can have these yourself, make them for free, and customize them to your liking. And I'm going to show you how to do it step by step right now. Now, I created all of my Twitch panels on my channel, and if you want to create your own, you're going to start by going to canva.com to get these panels. Not sponsored, love their website, but if you guys want to sponsor me. So for today's example, I'm going to show how you can make a About Me panel so you can put text beneath it and describe to people how cool you are. Now, when you get to canva.com, you're going to want to make an account. The accounts are free, and over in the right section of the page, you will see the tab for Create a Design. Here, you can click on Create a Design, and you can choose what kind of project you want to work on. You can also do custom to get custom dimensions. Twitch panels are normally 320 by 80. You can play around with the height of the panel, but the width has a maximum. Once you go ahead and put in your custom dimensions, you will be sent to the creation page where you have a slew of options ranging from backgrounds to elements to shapes. You can even upload your own images to the website and use them in your panels, which I will demonstrate with this About Me panel. There's also some nice text options that you have, from headers to stylized text images, and you can put all of these into your panels and customize them to your liking, including the color. Now, we're going to get started by choosing a background for our panel. Now, you can do a lot of customization options with your background, adjusting the color, the contrast. I like putting in this nice little effect on the sides of my panel just to give it a little more depth, but you can play around with it to your liking. Now, you can fine tune what kind of adjustments you are making to the colors, the darkness of the panel, any other types of effects you would like to have for this. And you're given quite a few options here. You basically just slide the slider over to the left or the right, which is pretty self-explanatory probably. And you can just get the best version of what you want for your ideal Twitch panel. Now, if you so choose, you can change up the colors of the background that it gives you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and stick with this color that I just altered slightly, and let's start with putting some text over our background. Now, as you can see, there is a ton of text options. You can scroll till your heart's content, but I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. Once you have the text style that you want, you're going to go ahead and type in About Me, and this is where the magic happens. Once you're finished naming your panel, you can go ahead and resize it to your liking. And once you are done resizing, just make sure you position it to where you want it to be, whether it's centered or off to the side. Do what you like. Now that our About Me is centered, let's go ahead and spice it up a bit. I like to try and create this unique double worded effect with a lot of my panels, and this is simple by clicking the duplicate button in the top right corner. And once you duplicate the text, you can position it in the spot that you'd like and change the color of the individual duplicate. Now that my duplicate text has a different color from the initial text, I'm going ahead and adjust it slightly off to the side and kind of give it that 3D-ish look. Now that we have our text into the right position, let's see what else we can add to the panel here. I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the color a bit, and let's add some images. Now that we have our colors and our text perfect on the panel the way we like, I'm going to go ahead and add one of my emotes to the panel in the top corner here, and just to give it a little more visual appeal. I think that looks pretty good. Now let's look for some shapes, maybe some lines to underline our About Me section and make it more defined. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one here. Once you choose any of these, whether you use them or not, you can resize them and adjust them into the right position. And a cool feature on here is that any colors that are on the panel will also pop up as suggested colors that you can change any of the texts or images to. So I'm going to use the color from my emote and change my little squiggle to that same color. And there you have it. We have a ready and finished About Me panel to go onto our Twitch. Once you are finished editing, you can go ahead and download this image to your computer and upload them to your Twitch channel. Once you upload the image to your channel, you can put any text that you like underneath it and describe who you are as a streamer so we can get a sense of what kind of personality we're working with. And just like that, you have a new, fresh, custom panel for your Twitch channel, and you can make a lot of these for your socials, donations, any panel you can think of. And like I said, Canva's free, easy to use. Create your own custom panels for anything you need, and you're good to go. Quick and easy. Hopefully you guys have found this video helpful. I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Come by if you have any other questions about streaming, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.